Ready, set, home. Are you ready to make your dream of homeownership a reality? Join us for a 90 days to homeownership Ready, Set, Home program. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to upgrade to your next home, our program is designed to guide you through the process step by step. From getting pre-approved to unlocking the door to your new home. Here's what you can expect. Mile 1, divorce the rent and marry the house. Mile 2, assessing your credit and getting your finances in order. Mile 3, steps to finding the perfect home. Mile 4, funding your new home. Mile 5, closing the deal and moving in. Don't miss this opportunity to kickstart your journey to homeownership. Get ready, get set, let's find your dream home. To join the campaign, get back to the person who sent you this video.